everyone, my name is Mharz, and I just want you to know that my favorite cookies in the entire world is chocolate chip cookies, and I really love the chewy ones. But you know what I haven't tried? The raw cookie dough. So I've dug up Gemma's Bigger Bolder Baking as always and found a recipe for edible cookie dough because I really want to try how it tastes like compared to regular cookie baked ones. But it's probably gonna be a short video, I'm not sure. I'm just experimenting, okay? So yeah, that's the thing. So let us go to the kitchen. Okay, I have a big bowl here and we are gonna add some butter and sugar. Whisk them up until it's nice and pale. Unfortunately, I can't find any extracts here, so I'll have to use vanilla powder. Now we're gonna add some flour. Mix them until we form some dough. I don't really have any chocolate chips, but I have dark chocolate. This is imported, mind you. So let's chop them, and yes, I know I'm using a tiny saw. Big knives scare me. Let's add this to the dough, and I think this is complete. Let me just put it in the fridge to firm up. While I'm waiting to taste this, I had an epiphany. So, let me just work on another recipe here. Here's some melted butter, a bit of canola oil, sugar, more sugar. Mix them up until it's mixed up. More of those vanilla powder, and a tiny bit of salt. Lastly, let's add some egg here. After everything is mixed together, let's sieve in some flour and cocoa powder. Now, if you still haven't guessed what I'm doing here, I'm making brownies. Let me just whip up this batter while I tell you what I have in mind. Okay, so what I'm thinking is putting the edible cookie dough inside the brownies because, I don't know, I think it sounds like a good idea. I won't really know for sure until we finish baking. Anyway, here's a tray with parchment paper and let's pour the butter there. Now I'm really just winging this, but I think I'll just roll the cookie dough into a ball and squeeze it inside there. By the way, I tasted the cookie dough. It's too sweet for my taste and I can still feel the sugar granules, so yeah, I don't know, I think I still prefer the baked cookies. Anyway, let's bake this up at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 F if you're in that place. Alright, it's baked. I rolled the dough balls a wee bit big. I was hoping the batter would encapsulate them, but alas, here's a photo of it sliced. Well, here's my final thoughts. First off, I did try the edible cookie dough before I put it in the brownies. But unfortunately, I did follow the amounts that was stated in the website, but it was too sweet for me. I think there was too much sugar in it and it was too sweet for my tongue. So, yeah, that's a thing. But when I put it in a brownie, I think the brownie balances it out because the sugar, I kinda ran out of sugar when I was making the brownie. So it kinda balances out the sweetness that the cookie dough gave. So it tasted really good in the brownie, and that brownie really turned out so well and fudgy and delicious. Trust me, it was really delicious. So yeah, that was a nice treat for me for this week. So I hope you enjoy watching this. This is not an informational video, just a disclaimer. This is for entertainment purposes. But still, you know, I hope you enjoy it. But if not, whatever. I enjoy making videos. So thank you so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button and I will see you in the next video. Bye!